everyone, I'm Josh, Marketing Project Manager at Robroy. I'm here to guide you through the brand new Stahlin.com. In my last video in this series, we discussed how to build a customized submittal package through our quick submittal feature, as well as the benefits to logging in with my account. Today, we're going to check out how to find a Stahlin Rep or Advisor for your area. So let's jump right in. First off, what is the difference between a rep and an advisor? A Stahlin Rep is an external party that represents Stahlin in certain territories, promoting our products to our customers and acting as a sort of bridge between them and us. A Stahlin Advisor is anyone on our internal sales team that can advise our customers on all things Stahlin. You can locate a Stahlin Advisor for your area by clicking on the Contact tab at the top and choosing Contact an Advisor. From here, you simply select your state, or your country if you're outside the US, to find out who you should contact with your questions. You can also do that by clicking on this little map over here to the left. To find a rep, it's much the same process. You can click on Locate a Representative down here at the bottom, or Rep Locator up at the very top, then choose your state. You can also search by county or zip code. Now, it's important to point out that some states have more than one rep, so you should look at the search results to make sure you find the one that represents your county specifically. And there you have it. It's easier than ever for you to locate and contact a Stahlin Rep or Advisor. I hope you'll join me for the next video in the series where we'll be exploring all the literature and technical resources available to you on the new Stahlin.com. See you there.